Today, our students had the possibility to interact with Frédéric Constant, a top watchmaker here in Geneva. And through this partnership with Frédéric Constant, the students had a VIP behind closed doors experience.
We proposed them a deep dive tool in our manufacture so they can learn more about watch industry and the complexity of the production and what Swiss made means for us and for our industry.
These field trips that we take, which are outside the classroom, contribute immensely to our knowledge of the industry, and we learn a completely different side to the hospitality world or the luxury sector in specific.
Visiting these companies definitely gives you a perspective of manufacturing as well as luxury and marketing. So there's 3 different industries that you get connected to.
It's very informative, and you learn a lot about the industry, and then it gives you a better perspective of where you want to land up once you graduate.
During their deep dive tour, we organized for them a workshop where they have been able to assemble our manufacture movement.
The workshop was very interesting. It was difficult for sure because you have to have immense focus and steady hands.
I like the concept of precision because that's something we need to adopt in hospitality.
Our students had the possibility to discuss with their sales and marketing teams and debate on how the luxury industry will evolve.
We experienced that today, when you are in front of your customer, they expect something different, and we know that students that have been in the hospitality education know how to deal with customers.
Being part of this group and experiencing will offer to our students the possibility to connect.
It's a good learning experience, and in terms of a career perspective, there is definitely scope for doing internships and even possibly taking up placement opportunities within companies like this.
If somebody asked me for advice on the future in the hospitality industry and if they would like an education in the industry, I would definitely recommend Glion to them to gain invaluable experience and opportunities, especially in a country like Switzerland. That's really invaluable.